Hi everyone, welcome to Goan Food Court. Beef croquettes are always a part of our party menu list, and every time they are prepared by my mother-in-law with lots of love, dedication and patience. And I can say that her beef croquettes are quite appetizing. This beef croquette tastes great just by itself. So here I am today with the best croquette recipe ever. So let's begin. To prepare beef croquettes, I have taken half kg tenderloin red meat, or locally we call it as bhendi meat. I have already washed the meat and have a look, I have cut it into medium chunks. Next, into this I am going to add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar and half lime juice. Apply all 3 ingredients well to the meat and let's keep it for half an hour. As the meat is getting marinated, meanwhile let's keep the masala ready. For the masala I have taken half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cup fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 20 cloves, 8 peppercorns, 1.5-inch ginger roughly chopped, 9 garlic cloves and chilies. I have taken 3 green chilies and 2 red chilies. If you want, you can take only red or green chilies, that's your choice. Now I'm going to add all these ingredients into the grinder, add little water and let's grind it into fine smooth paste. As you can see, our paste is ready. Now let's begin with the next step. Heat the vessel. Once the vessel is heated, add marinated meat. Into this also goes half medium tomato roughly chopped, 1 medium onion roughly chopped, add half cup water and let it cook on slow fire. So once the water quantity becomes half, then I'm going to add potatoes. It's been around half an hour, meat is half cooked and also water quantity has reduced. So now I'm going to add 1 large potato cut into cubes and let it continue cooking till water becomes at least 1/4 quantity. After 20 minutes, now I'm going to add ground masala and let it cook and become semi-dry. Well, our beef is ready. Let it cool completely. Once meat comes to a room temperature, I'm going to put it into the mixer twice. I have taken 2 eggs, beat it well and add to the mixture. Also add half cup finely cut fresh coriander. Mix it well with the coriander and eggs. Here I have semolina and breadcrumbs. Mix it well. Make small balls and make into cylindrical shaped rolls. Coat it in semolina and breadcrumbs mixture. This half kg means will give you around 28 beef croquettes. So here I have made 15 croquettes and remaining I'm going to refrigerate and can prepare this beef croquettes anytime. Now let's begin with the final step, that is deep frying. Take deep kadai, add around 2 cups of oil. Once oil is medium hot, add croquettes. So I'm going to fry into 2 batches. First batch is done. And now I'm going to add the remaining croquettes. So our beef croquettes are ready. So I really hope that you will try this recipe and do subscribe to Goan Food Court for lots more recipes. Till then, be active, stay healthy.